Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In our today's video, we'll be looking at soil adjusted vegetation index, which basically adjusts NDVI for the influence of exposed soil brightness using a correction constant of 0.5, improving accuracy in sparsely vegetated or early growth stage farmland. The bands we'll be using are the near infrared and red bands, and our constant, which is 0.5, which makes our formula near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red plus L multiplied by 1 plus L being 0.5. And for our tutorial, we'll be using Landsat 8 to get into it. So let's get straight into it. Raster Calculator. So as I said earlier, we'll be using and 5 minus and 4 bracket close divided by bracket open and 5 plus and 4 plus L, which is 0.5 bracket close multiplied by the analysis having areas. So I was able to generate an analysis. Hope I was able to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Happy mapping.